So Leanne was lucky enough to win our garden bed giveaway, and we're here to construct it for her out of Trustwood Sleepers. 2.4 long, and we're going to do it by 1200 wide. Graham, the builder's going to build it.
So we've got a nice open site. It's going to see some nice sun. We're just going to make sure it's level, and then we can build the garden bed up from there. The site's fairly open, but we're going to get some gap 20 down, level it all up, so we can build off a nice level platform. It's not going to take too much to get this nice and level. Going to take a few bags, we'll gap 20. So I'm going to cut the 3 long lengths all down to 1200 to form the end pieces. We're just going to pre-drill some holes to help the timber not split. So we'll be using a 19mm impact socket to rattle these bolts in. These are just from my building background. I know that these are very strong. They're M12 by 200. I know it's going to hold against any timber wanting to warp, because as it gets wet and dry, timber especially wants to move, so we use this big M12 stainless to try and hold it straight.
Today we have our premium garden mix. This consists of a compost and bark fine base. We also have the gypsum and slow release fertilizers in it, so it's ready to plant straight away, and it's 100% weed free.